Hey guys, Dave McMahon here, editor of Powersports Business, just off a fantastic ride today on the Honda Pioneer Trail and Forest 1000 side-by-side, the 2022 models. We're down here, where else would we be but Pioneer, Tennessee for, man, they got about 600 miles of trails in this neck of the woods, and it is a commerce mecca down here. So if you ever get the chance, please swing by Pioneer, Tennessee and hop on a side-by-side and have some fun. Today, though, we're going to talk a little bit about some of the accessories that Honda's come out with here for the trail and forest units of the Pioneer 1000. Allan Baynosa from Honda's after-sales department is with us. So, Allan, hey, man, I know you talked during the walk-around yesterday about 30 new accessories for the model this year. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right, Dave. We have about 30 new accessories for this model. We've got a total of about 88 for this vehicle. So a lot of them are new or upgraded for the Pioneer 1000 for 2022.
Cool. Yeah. So today, back in the trail, broad daylight, but there's spots where it's dark, and the unit behind us had the light on, the LED light. Man, that thing was popping some voltage out of there. Tell us a little bit about what you guys did with the new light.
Yeah, so for 2022, previously we had a 14-inch LED light bar. We bumped that up to 20 inches. We added more LEDs, more lighting, more lumens. So it's definitely a lot brighter, more powerful on the trail. Definitely just a higher performing and high value performing LED light bar.
That it really popped. Just looking out the rear view mirror, you could definitely see the impact of that thing. Let's just kind of swing around here a little bit. Another thing I know you guys, it's going to be cool for dealers to be able to sell this year is the upgraded heating system. Talk a little bit about that and how that can benefit.
Yeah, so for the heating system, this one, we improved the heating system for this year. We added additional venting, so from the floors to the face, as well as demisters or defrosters that are coming up here. You can't see it on the other side of the glass windshield. It's got more adjustability as far as the temperature control and also the fan speed. And it's just really much more well integrated than the previous version. So we're really super pleased with it, super happy to have it on this vehicle and bring it out for our customers.
Awesome. Well, I'm gonna have to come back down here in the winter time and check it back out with that heater going, because guys, today we did not need a heater going.
We did not.
In the trail or the forest unit. Another thing that's cool that really was interesting to see, I know you guys have a new GPS unit too that people can accessorize with, and I'm sure dealers are going to be real interested in trying to get that on the purchase order too. Yeah,
so we partner with Garmin, and we use their Garmin Tread GPS unit. Ours is a little bit unique because it's specific for our unit. It's got our own Honda splash screen on it, has our own Honda bezel, has specific Honda wiring to make it really plug and play for this model. Yeah. And it's really got this cool feature, which we're able to use it out today on the trail, called Group Ride Radio, and really be able to see where all your other people are riding and where they're at, so you have confidence out on the trail that you're not going to get lost. Yeah, really cool experience.
That was awesome to see. Just first time out here for I think just about everybody. But yeah, just to be able to look at that and see where the unit in front of you and behind you was definitely reassuring and confidence building too. While we're up front, another one that might not necessarily be for mid-June, but the plow system is another option for dealers to accessorize, right? Yeah,
so we have all new plow system for this vehicle. It features, it's not shown here, but it's got a quick release system. It really, put it on and off in seconds. It makes the life so much easier for the user. Sure. I think our customers are going to be really pleased compared to the previous version.
Right. And I know I heard them today. The audio system on this thing that you can upgrade to is pretty impressive. Just talk a little bit about some of the things you guys have added there.
Yeah, so for 2022, for Pioneer 1000, we have all new audio system for this vehicle. It comes in three separate pieces, so you can build them up. It's got your audio system with a head unit, and it's got a 200 amp system, and it comes with 2 speakers in the front. Then you can expand it. You can add the 2 rear speakers that's kind of shown in the back there. Cool. And then all the speakers are rated for up to 195 watts. And then we also got a powered subwoofer, a 10-inch subwoofer, which sits underneath the driver's seat. And it's actually has its own amplifier, and it's 500 watt rated.
Nice.
So really makes it so much fun out on the trails and just enjoyable.
That's fantastic. How about coming back to the bed? I know you guys have what are some features that a dealer that might be part of the factory purchase, or even accessories that you got going here in the bed?
Yeah, so as far as accessories go for this vehicle, you can add, there's a 12-volt socket here, add for extra utility out on the trail, or if you're having to work, you needed to use electrical components. Also, we have LED bed lights that you can add on as an accessory to, when you're out on the trail, it's dark at night, whatever.
Give the bed a little bling.
Yeah, a little bit of bling.
Bling it up.
So definitely add some utility to it too, and just be able to see what you got in there. And
yeah, today, I mean, this thing, it handled everything, but then you're talking about the accessories. It seems like the trail was only the start of some of the some of the benefits that this thing's going to provide to dealership customers.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, the trail definitely has comes with some key accessories or key features that are like accessories, and then as well as the forest too. I mean, from the forest gets the bumper and whatnot. So
that's a cool unit too.
Yeah.
Wow, man, appreciate you spending some time with us.
Appreciate it,
guys. Fantastic ride today. The accessories we know at Powersports Business, you guys know as readers, super key, important part of the purchase for the customer. Always looking to get that purchase order to have a few more lines on it. And Honda with the 2022 Pioneer Trail and Forest are going to hopefully help you guys do just that. See you next time.